Hello everyone, my name is Shreelekha Das and I live in Pune and I am 12 years old. I have attended the Inner Spark Summer Camp 2025. Before the summer camp, I used to struggle with time management and having a disciplined life. After the first day of the summer camp, um, I was very interested and I thought that this summer camp is going to be very useful for me. The best part of the summer camp was the genius test because I enjoyed it the most. I got to know about my personality and other personality. Something I'm going to implement even after the summer camp is the breathwork because it really helped me calm down and relax. I'm going to use it during my studies, like before my studies, so that I can focus more. And I'm going to recommend this to everyone my age because everyone struggles in something, and this summer camp is going to help a lot.